Hello everyone, welcome to Million Studies. In this video, we are going to solve one more SQL problem as part of data analyst or data engineer interview preparation. You can see here, it is given alphabet words. This is the table that you can see here, having a single column that is letter word, and in the first 5 rows, you can see only single letters. In the next 5 rows, you can see their words, right? I mean, at our childhood, we might have seen these things like A for apple, B for ball, like this. You can see it, right? So we need to showcase that. I mean, we need to return this kind of output. You can see here, it is a given input table and we need to return the output as two columns, as one for apple and one for words, as two columns we need to return. Okay, how can we return? See here, in the first 5 rows, we need to return as one column, right? In the next 5 rows, we need to return as one more column, but we should return in such a way that A for apple, B for ball, right? C for cat, right? So we are going to use here window function and ensuring we are going to give a number to each record on the base of anything, like it could be in ascending order or descending order, right? Similarly, we are also giving for this also in such a way that we are going to assign a number, right? And then we'll be joining these two tables. Okay, let's solve this problem. Now you can see here, this is a given table. Now what we are going to do, we need to divide this entire table into two tables. Okay, how can we do that? Let's see. Selecting, I'm going to selecting this one letter word from this table, that is alphabet words. Okay, you can see all, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to assign a number to each record. How we can assign? With the help of row number or rank, anything, no problem. Okay, I'm going to use here rank. Let's see, rank over, or how can you we need to give in such a way, because of you can give any order, either descending order or ascending order, but you need to ensure that the same order should be there for this one, because of it is given for A for apple, B for ball, right? That is the way. C for cat, like that it has given, right? Now we are going to order by letter or, okay, in ascending order. If you have not given anything, by default it's a ascending order, right? As R and K from this one. Okay, now if you execute, you can see it is assigned a number to each record, right? But we need to have only A, right? A for, like that we should have. You can see here, if you see here, A for 1, B for 3, C for 5, D for 7, and E for 9. We are getting like this, right? So even if you want to join these two, but you will get multiples. So that is the reason I'm going to divide this entire into two parts. How can I divide? See here, for each one letter word, it is getting in odd, right? Otherwise, you can also use here filtering length of letter word is equals to 1. What it will return? It will return only single letter word. I mean letter. You can see here, right? A1, B2. Likewise, only single letter, I mean single character letter only it is written, and you are assigned for a number to each record, right? Similarly, we are going to return the same thing. I'm going to copy paste here, but here I'm mentioning here length of word, I mean letter word is greater than 1. Okay, now you can see the remaining things other than the single character you are getting remaining 5, right? So we need, if I execute both, you can see this is the one table, this is one table, right? From a single table we are going to divide this entire into two tables, right? And by using join here we are getting A for 1, here apple for 1, right? So if we join these two tables on the basis of same rank, that will returns A for apple, B for bird, like that we can return, right? So how can I return? See here, I'm going to assign this first table as ct1 as this table, okay, comma ct2 as this table. Okay, now I'm going to combine these two tables on the basis of same rank. Selecting c1 dot, what we have to return, we have to return from first table only letter only, right? That is letter word, comma, from second table what we have to return, we have to return only the word, right? From second table we have to return letter word. Okay, from ct1 I'm going to alias this one as c1, join see another table, that is ct2 as I'm going to alias this as C2. On what is the condition? This rank has to be this rank. Then only we can return as A for apple, B for ball. Like that we can return, right? So that is the reason I'm going to use C1 dot rnk is equals to C2 dot rnk. Okay. Now if I execute this query, you can see here A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Like that, this is the our expected output, right? Okay. If after solving this problem, interviewers are also going to ask different types of problems, so they are not going to expect this one actually. So they now asking like A for ball, B for cat, C for donkey. Like that they are going to ask. Then how can we return? See here, we ensuring that the rank has to be equal, then only it is returning as our expected output. But if now he's asking for A for ball, right? So A in the first table is rank 1, for B in the second table that is rank 2, right? So you have to add for rank 1 and the first table is 1 is equals to second table is same, right? That means in the first table is 1, you're adding 1, right? So you will be, I mean, this condition has to be true, right? When this condition will be true, and this value is equals to this value, right? So if you're adding 1, it will be 2, right? In second table, what is the 2? That is ball only, right? So that is how it will return. Now you can see A for ball, B for cat, C for donkey, and T for elephant. It will return. You can see here. Now you can see here, right? A for ball, B for cat, C for donkey, D for elephant, right? So this is how it will return. Now if you want to have one more, like I'm going to use here greater than or equal to. Now you can see how it will return. So you can see here how it is returning. So A for apple is one time, and this is repeating two times, this is repeating three times. Likewise, it is repeating, right? Four, and this is five times, right? A for single time, apple. B for, I mean, these are two is repeating. Apple, apple ball cat, apple ball cat, donkey, four times. Likewise, it is returning, right? Four. I mean here, apple ball cat, donkey, elephant, right? So this is how it will return. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 5. So on the basis of this condition, it is going to return a values. I mean, it is in such a way it is going to join. Okay, I hope you understand. But our question is to return only this one. Okay, this is how we will return our expected output. You can see here, right? This is the exact one. That is A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for donkey, and E for elephant. I hope you understand.